Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
Say hi to everybody.
Boom, boom, boom. Lollipop, lollipop, boom, lolly, 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 lollipop.
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your high love.
Spike loves his new hat.
What? How are you doing this?
Whoa, back up. Stop playing, I'm dead serious. I got a girlfriend, calm down.
Say hi, little kitty.
Oh.
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
It's the kind of beat to go.
Damn, your ass smells fine, girl. Check out my ass. How's that smell? Baby, get your ass off me! Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good. Ah!
You know the bar is open over here.
Is he still in there?
Yes, he is. It has been an hour, dude. Seriously, I cannot wait any longer.
Are you serious?
You keep looking at me, I'm gonna put you in the fucking ground, I promise you. I will fucking destroy you. Make it my mission in life.
How to get your fat cat to exercise.
Want a treat? Want a treat?
How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?
The fearless feline got stuck on a telephone pole for...
I believe I can fly.
Meow, 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 meow.
Hello?
Hey, I heard you got the new cat phone.
Yeah, it's the cat's meow.